Guys, today is part 2 of unboxing labubus. So here we have the Coca-Cola one and the energy. So first we're gonna open the Coca-Cola one. So let's get into it. Okay. So oh, that was actually so easy to actually open. So I hope you get the secret or surprise shake. Those ones are my favorite. Oh my god. Oopsie. Okay. So this comes in a Ziploc. So I am going to have to drop the camera so I can take it. Oh my god, the Coca-Cola can actually looks so realistic. Okay, so I'm seeing it's purple. So now you gotta actually open it like a Coca-Cola can, I think. Oh no, you just unscrew the lid. Guys, the ears might be a little stuck that I'm taking. Oh no, I got it. Oh my god, it's so hard to take their ears off. Guys, I don't see the Coca. Bro, I literally bought this like online or no, not online or something. I don't know. Oh wait, how are we supposed to? Guys, it's stuck. And why is it purple? Look, guys, it's literally purple. Is this a scam? Because I don't see none. Wait, it might be. Is this the secret? Bro, I can't open it. Oh wait, I think it has to stay in there. Oh my god, guys, we got the secret. Oh my god, what happened to the ears? We got the secret! I really wanted to hang this on my backpack, but I can't. So look, guys, let me show you. Oh, it's the secret. Okay, I'm so happy I got my secret. That's the first ever secret. Now let's do the energy. Let's see if I can do this in one hand, and I probably can't. Okay, let me tell you the one I really want. I want love, luck, hope, and loyalty. That's the one that I really want. Or the secret. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to drop it. Yes, I can open it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get scissors to open this, so I'll be right back. Guys, so I just came back from the scissors to get the scissors, so let's cut this open. Oh my god, I think I got the one I wanted. Let me see. I got the one I wanted. Look at that. Anyway, guys, bye.